was too fast about that. Okay, yeah. I just got one question for every trader in the room right now. I got one exciting question. Just 1 minute. How many of you are? I'll need to ask the question the right way so that everybody can get to understand the depth of the question. How many of you know that over the last 50 years, should I use that number? Some people have not been born in the last 50 years, so can't read that. Maybe too far. They will not, people will care less. So over the last 10 years, I believe everybody's here right now. You've been born. You are pretty alive over the last 10 years. So did you guys know that over the last 10 years, over 90% of people who have ventured into Forex have literally been bankrupted and they failed woefully? How many of you know that? You guys need to talk to me so that we're live. Let me know I'm still with you guys. Okay. Are you guys aware? If you're not aware, say I'm not aware. If you're aware, say I am. Over the last 10 years, over 90% of Forex traders, people venture into Forex for the purpose of the Forex game, okay? They failed. And they didn't just fail, and they left they lost more than they actually brought in. Are you guys aware? You're not aware. You're not aware? You're not, for real? For real? You guys are not aware? I'm just being, so that nobody will come. It's actually over 96%. I'll be shocked to tell you over 98%. Okay, so wow. I'm shocked. So I have on the call right now over 90% of the people on the call who are Forex trader don't know that over 96% of people, of your fellow counterparts, of your fellow traders, they came into this space and they failed, they stopped. They're no more traders, they're into other businesses. They failed, they lost a lot. The question is why? We all have something in common, which is Forex. We all have something in common, which is interest. Do you guys agree with me? Interest. We all have something in common, which is money. What is it we don't have in common? If I've been here over the last 10 years, okay, I'm not here for 10 years right now. If I'm going to be here over the next 10 years, what is it that we don't have in common? So what is that one? Would you guys like to know what is that one thing everybody who has failed in Forex have in common? All of them have it in common. And those who have succeeded and still here today, they have something in common. At least the majority of those who, now, not everybody who succeeds. So I could say over the last 10 years, some people have succeeded in Forex, okay? But the statistics won't hold that success over the next 10 years, because why? Some people will still fall out. A lot of people who are successful will still fall out. Guess what? The people who failed are not those who didn't make money. A lot of those who failed are those who made money and lost more of it. So I'm not talking about they didn't get the strategy right. I'm not talking about they didn't make money from trading. A majority of them made money and they lost it. So what is that one thing they got in common? I need you guys to write this down and take this from me, okay? Every one of them taught to use, okay, every one of them taught to make money from Forex. Their greatest, most powerful energy they emitted every day was to make money from Forex. All of them had that in common. Everybody who failed in Forex, and everybody who's going to fail in Forex have that in common. What is that one thing that those who are succeeding in Forex have in common? Majority of those, not all. Some people are still here right now. They think they are still here, but they've not succeeded, but they're still here. But what is going to eventually happen? This will show up. So those who have succeeded in Forex have this in common. They thought to use Forex to make money. Are you guys with me today? So what's the difference? Same Forex, same people, same interest, same intention. All right, but different idea. They thought to use. So every successful person have the what? They operate on the law of usage. They thought to use Forex. They thought to use the skill. They thought to use the opportunity to earn, to make money. Okay. Why some people want to make money from the opportunity? Can you see the mindset? The mindset is different. Okay. Forex is not going to make you money. Forex is going to give you an opportunity for you to make money. I mean, a few now understand the difference. So you may say, oh, are they not all the same? No, they're not all the same. I operate differently when I want to use Forex to make money. I operate differently than I want to make money from Forex. I am dependent and unaware. In fact, for me to even think I could make money from Forex is already a bad idea. It's already a shallow idea because Forex doesn't make you money. Forex is like money in itself. Okay. You use tool. Money is like a tool in the hands of someone. The skill, what you acquire here, the knowledge, you being in my environment, what you're using me for, okay, are all tools, are all opportunities for usage. You acquire these values to use it for something, okay? You don't make money from me. So this is what happens. A lot of people join communities to make money from communities. A lot of people now, for other people, few people join communities to use communities to make money. Now, what does that mean? When I came into this environment, I joined an environment to use the environment to make money. And I've been making money all along. What did I do? My approach was different. I knew I had to gather this information for the purpose of using it to make money, not making money from it. That's why a lot of people waste so much time in environment. They come in every class of live trading. You see people packed. Every free environment of trading, you see people packed because all they want to do is go get money, go get money, go get money. They don't take advantage of the principles, of the values that are being dished because they are not operating in the law of usage. They are operating in the law of consumption. Are you guys with me? They're consuming every opportunity. They are eating every opportunity. Let's trade. Get into the market. Ah, man, we made this money. They're excited. You just use that opportunity. Okay, the law, you just consume that opportunity. The law of usage is you're interested in how these people are doing. You're getting closer to knowing how they're doing. You're using the opportunity you have with these people to gather knowledge, all right? Because why? You want to use that knowledge. Not, you don't want to eat the knowledge. You want to use the knowledge. Is it making sense? Okay, as slight as this short information is, you want to check yourself. What are you doing in the year 6 months? What are you doing? Are you consuming or you're using for production? Okay, so there is the law of usage that transits into the law of production. Today, I'm not just a trader that consumes that consumes information that I have produced. I'm helping people, which is production. I've created value. I've used the opportunity. I used Forex. So today I have multiple streams of income from Forex because I made a decision to use Forex. I am a coach and a mentor today because I'm using Forex. I'm using it to help people. I'm using it to help communities. I'm using it to better the lives of other people, and I'm using it for myself. I'm using it because I have the law of usage. I didn't come to consume the opportunity I had. I came to take it so that I can use it. Make sense? Put sense 100 on the chart if you guys got that. So while you are making a decision, hopping up session after session, just know, ask yourself this one question. Are you using the opportunity or you are consuming the opportunity? With that being said, let's find an opportunity to earn money both ways. Boom. Okay. So for those of you in Instagram, bye-bye. I'll see you guys on our next class. So I said we're going to be doing, hold on. Let me just look at the market right now. Boom. This was from last night. I know, okay, well, we wouldn't have gotten into it. It was a bad one. It was a bad signal. It was a good analysis, but a bad signal. How many of you agree with me? Based on our term of trading anyway, this was where we were looking at selling. This was supposed to be the signal candle, but was news. Okay, so news erupted and stole that signal away from us. And this was too far away because our TP was supposed to be here. Okay, but I gave you guys this signal yesterday, and it was a good one. Okay, another one that I gave, I was in AUD JPY, but that took me out. That took me out. Why did this trade take me out? Where was this? Is not, it's not making sense. Oh, I think the market spiked. Hold on, guys. I'm not supposed to be out of this market. Maybe it spiked because of the news. Hold on, guys. Are you kidding me? Come on, Cameron, why did you get caught up in this market? 69. I exceeded us. 8. Wait. How on earth did I do 70? Sheesh. So it took me out, and it's hit the 60%, which means the signal is still on. Okay, I'm gonna be on this trade right now because this was supposed to be the entry. This was supposed to be the entry. This was supposed to be the TP. So this is still on right now, still very, 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 very valid for an entry for the 60% entry. So there's an active, it's actually gonna be though. Just 10 pips into entry. Okay. And okay, I'm gonna use a light trace, not because I want to revenge, because I feel this. Let me look at something. So I'm just gonna give you the trades that are active on Forex. This is actually a very, very good trade. Okay, another way to get in on this trade is after this hour closes, you can actually get in. So Kenry, what should we do? What should be your operator? Let me allow this hour to close. So I'm gonna get in based on the 4-hour analysis. It hits the 60%. So what did we do? This is a fib concept. Okay, it hits the 60%. If it closes right about now, okay, on the hourly, I'm going to have a good trade to get in. So I was in. I wasn't supposed to be out of this trade. I was already in, but I think I was so much in a hurry. I didn't calculate my stop loss where I didn't know why I should have, because I was supposed to put my stop loss 5 pips away from the level, but I didn't know. So that caught me. How many of you are still on this trade? I sent it in the morning to the chat. How many of you are still on the trade? Okay, good. So I'm going to get in again because I feel this is my birthright. Don't listen to what I just said. Don't take it serious. Okay, so why is this trade moving? Now that I said I'm waiting for this trade to close, it's now moving away more. Okay, you know what? I'm going to get in on a light one in case I get too busy. Light one. So I'm going to just use a light trade. Let me just get a, yeah, I click it. Okay, stop loss is going to be, if I'm entering here right now, my stop loss, I think I have to put it at 75. Let me put it at 75. Let me put it at 75 will be 25 pips, right? 75. Okay. So take profit is going to be, I'll put my take profit here. Okay, 7221. Okay, 9721, right? Beautiful. So I got myself a trade. Now the trade can actually still go up. Okay, Kenry, what do you mean? Can it still go up? Yes, absolutely. Okay, absolutely can go. What really guides your trade is not your ability to win the trade, is your interest in the market. So I'm not trading this market. I'm taking my opportunity for a sell. That doesn't mean the market is going to sell. Okay, if I'm looking at the market, every consolidation means something. You're looking at the market at the 1 hour, but every language, the market speaks every language in every time frame. Right about now, over the last week, am I too fast? I feel like I'm being too fast. Maybe because I want to trade binary. Okay, good. If the market consolidates, it's telling you something. If it accumulates, it means there is a presence of a decision. We're about to change decision. We're about to decide. Okay. So if this market hits here close and moved, that was a fine move. It's still in the momentum, but this is no more momentum. Momentum have been canceled the moment there was a consolidation. So as much as the fib concept was what we were waiting for on the 4 hour, the best way to actually trigger this market, for an entry, the best way, okay, is actually when it closes a 4 hour. Okay, not even a 1 hour, 4 hour. That's the best way. And guess what? If it is not going to go the direction, it may not close the 4 hour in a sell. So sometimes we are being too impatient. Okay. The reason it's called impatient, and it may not really be impatient because there is the opportunity on both sides. So when you see this market make this move, this was news. So sometimes this news may create another sensation and the market will just, consolidate out, then eventually fall back down. But right about now, there is no signal, strong signal in this market because market is still within the range of what? Accumulation. Okay. But we just hope that it respects this 60% and gold. Hence, why am I saying all of these careful things? Do not assume that because Kenvry is calling a trade right now, the trade is a powerful trade. So let me go hit all my risk in. Then you are just among the category of people that I said you came here to consume. Okay. And there is what happens to people who consume. They're all here to make money. So you just want to make money because Kenvry said there is a sell. Okay. I just took the entry and I also said that the best signal is a 4 hour. Okay. But I also said if it closed. So what does that mean? Trading is about probability and risk. How much are you willing to stake for this your hunch, this your prediction? If it is not good, you leave it. Okay. I'm a careful trader. Does that make sense? You guys got what I said. So if you really want to get the best out of this trade, wait for the next how many minutes? That would be 35 minutes. It's going to give you a stronger signal than the one I just entered. And that's why I said I entered the light trick, something I would not even feel. And if it close on the 4 hour or on the 1 hour, I may get in on another one. Okay. If it doesn't close on the hourly and it closes on the 4 hour as a red, I will get in. So while you have consumed all of your risk, okay, I am using my risk. Okay, are you guys with me? So this is one trade you guys have right now. So you can either enter light with me, but history do you know history have actually showed that the trades that I say enter light risk are actually the trades that eventually from this Tuesday session. How many of you agree with me? Somehow. When I say enter light or when I'm careful about that's the trade that actually moves because I have a feeling, but at the same time, I'm Kendrick Moore. I'm always I love to look out. So you don't come and consume. You don't come and consume and just put all of your risk and say, Mokbe. You guys get what I'm saying? Let's have fun. More fun. So that's AJ. We got USD JPY. I am milking USD JPY right now. How many of you are making USD JPY? Okay. So guess what this trade do? I had one account. My serious, see, we get too careful when we have serious account. Okay. But when we have play account, okay, we are careless. So one of my serious accounts, okay, I actually entered here and I had all of this profit. So I closed in, I put a break even somewhere around here. Look at what this stupid guy did to me. He took that break even. But my other on serious account that I don't even look at that is on a swing. Okay, I think the break even was somewhere around here. Look at how that account is enjoying right now. What would you say to those two decisions? A, would I say next time I'm not going to put a break even? Then I'm actually a fool. All right. So, but this I gave you guys yesterday as well, and this one is making money. And you can see how I did. I told you guys, what did I say? I said, if you guys were scared, this was on Monday night, right? Yeah. I said, if you guys were scared of entering, just like I told you guys yesterday, if it breaks this area, retests this area, it's going to have a move. Look at it. Okay. It's having that move right now, but it wouldn't have been the best option because of the news. Okay. It makes sure the news made sure it came, retested, and this was a powerful candle. So I think over the next couple of days, this is still going to be swinging up, my opinion. Okay. Because it's in my direction. So you guys have nothing to do with this trade right now. There's no signal for you. We already had the signal. We're already in GBP JPY. Boom. So let me give you my selfish opinion on GBP JPY. Are you guys ready? I'm bullish bias on GBP JPY. Okay, from our last session, I told you guys, this guy has kicked a swing high. Okay, it was on the floor, and this floor was this present zone is actually a monthly 3-month zone that it broke. Okay, so it broke up. A lot of people trade, they don't follow pattern, because it's just like relationship. A lot of people want to get married, but they don't want to actually court. They don't want to date, but you want to get married. When you date, you understand your partner better. A lot of people don't understand the market. They just want to make money. You are in for a dead row. Imagine you marry a wife you don't know into your house. Okay, boom, you're in trouble. That's the same thing. The market is dealing with a lot of people, divorcing them after crumbling them. Okay, you don't want to be that person. And I'm not using wife, I'm also using husband. Okay, you don't want to marry a man that you don't know. So the women don't blame Ken Remo that you're always hitting on the no. So when you look at this right now, weekly, I told you guys that if this weekly close bullish, this market is going to be hitting this high. And that's a powerful swing high. But we have the opportunity to get in on this small. So this previous zone, which is the 188.20, okay, it actually kicked into the psychological area. All right, so there's a psychological area and there's a previous high. So this is a powerful zone, okay, that market broke, eventually came back to test, and it's holding it right now. So this market is still on its swing high. Okay, but it will be stupid for you to say, oh, let me just jump in right now. So I'm going to analyze what's the best. Let me just jump in right now. Okay, it's just 80 pips. 80 pips is a whole lot. Okay, but 80 for 241 makes sense. So one of the things you can do is that you can give 80 pips to get 241 pips. But how long is the trade going to take? It's going to take a while. It may not even be, you may not close it this month, okay, for you to get to 240. It may not. But that is the best way to approach this market if you think you want to get in now. But there may be other ways, which we did last night, and I gave you guys that you guys should enter. For me, I almost felt selfish for doing just 100 piece, but I felt grateful. I said, why do I have to be selfish? I took 100 piece from it, okay, and I'm grateful. I'm looking for another opportunity to get in. So what is the other opportunity, Kenry, that you may get in? Is to, let's see. Okay, so let's watch quickly. Let me use another one that is clearer. Are you guys enjoying the session, or you're bored? Your board is not my fault. Too. I'm having a feeling that I'm making sense. So guess what? So this was the opportunity to get in. Let me see something. But it's already moved. If you get in here right now, I'm looking for a swing opportunity, not. So this is 46 pips. Let's say 46 for 105. So the market actually hit, okay, though it faked out, but closed, and it's kind of, this is a very indecision candle. Okay, it's not looking too bright now. Okay, so I'm going to do a wicked analysis. This is how I do my wicked analysis. All right. So there's a high respected, there is a low respected. Okay. If this is so unclear, over the next couple of hours, allow market to break this, okay, and come back to retest any of this area or any of this area. So if there's a momentum on the upside, you're going to get a correction into the 50% or the 61. So that's another beautiful way. That may probably happen tomorrow. Okay. You're going to find an opportunity on the upside when market breaks this. So I would just take all of this as unclear. That's the safest way. Okay. The what I call what's that word? English is English has run away, has went to break. So so I want to give you guys this. So this area is actually a strong area. I wouldn't want you to get in on this market, but this, because it's a strong area, it's either going to be a strong area for rejection or a strong area for what? Continuation. If it breaks right now, it's a strong area for continuation. but you've not been following this market, so I wouldn't just tell you jump in. But if you want to follow this market, okay, if this market breaks this high, that is the spring of momentum has kicked into GBP JPY. So all you just need is what? A collection of what? Retracement. If it comes back, it may retest here, okay, which also begs this opportunity. Sorry. It may retest here, it may retest this lower level. So watch out for this lower level, a retest on this lower level. If it breaks, GBP knows how to do it very well. If it breaks, come back to this level, it's gonna move up. But if it doesn't, if it breaks, retest here, it's gonna move up. This is my opportunity on GJ. All right, does this make sense? That is the careful one. I'm talking about the careful one. Again, this is my careful opportunity on GJ. I would want this sensation to be broken out. This is it. Okay. If it breaks out, you're gonna find the retest, okay, and close. It's gonna move, and it may move very fast. So it may break out, retest here. All right, boom. So watch out for any of this. This is a complete. If this happens, it means the market has completely broken out from a 1 hour consolidation on the downside. We're looking at an upside, and there's a whole lot of money to make. Why should you be patient for this kind of market? What is the swing upside to this market? What is the potential if you wait for a market like this? All right, so let me just give you the potential. Okay, one moment, please. So if this market swings back to its previous high, it's going to be 250 pips. That is its previous high, but we're not looking at its previous high. No, because of time, let's just stay with the previous. So it has a 250 on the upside, 250 pips potential on the upside. So that is enough to sweat for, wait for, be patient for. Do you agree with me? Do you guys agree with me? Put I agree. Okay, so it is what the potential. Don't just rush and miss what you can enjoy for a whole week or a whole month. Okay, so these are for the people who are patient. For the people who are not patient, they are like, hey, whenever you say this thing is going up, it always goes up, but you're always careful. There is a present trade right now, but the opportunity for that trade, the wise thing to do on that trade is you're going to be giving it 80 pips. So what will be your approach? 80 pips. So you can look at your account. This would be another thing you would do. You could go 80 for 80 if you want to be careful. So, so let's say you have a $10,000 account and you're trading GBP JPY. So what you do is you just decide how much you want to risk. Okay, so let's say a 0.5 or a 1%. And stop loss is 80 pips. It tells you. So 1% of your account is $100. So you're risking $100, but it also tells you what lot size to use. So it's 0.18. Okay, is the lot size you use for a $10,000 account. So you can take one trade or break it into 0.07, 0.09, 0.09, two trades. So one could go for 80 pips and the rest could go for 250 pips. And if you do 250 pips, then you have done way more than 2%. 80 times 2. Yeah, more than 2%. You guys feel me? So that will be another, but this approach will be swing. Never forget that. It's going to be a swing approach. You feel me? Okay. Who I do on the chart. So that is GBP. So there's a trade on this one. There's a trade on USD, AUD, JPY. What else? Okay, there is a present trade coming up on Euro USD at the 1.089. So I was looking at this area, but I'm afraid this market may peak and run away because it's past our concept already. So let's see if it rejects any of the stops. Okay, so between there is a buy opportunity in this market. I'm really waiting for this guy. Who is our EU specialist? GU and EU. Madam Azenabo, are you here on the call? Is it Madam Azenabo? No. It's not Madam. Madam Zainab was supposed to. It's USDJPY. Who's EU and it's Madam Madam Koinzela. You're here on the call, right? So you will be our alarm. Whenever this market hits any of these areas, if you need to call me on phone, call me on. Just kidding. Anyway, okay. When it hits this area and closes, so what's the signal for this trade? It's a beautiful one. Okay, this trade is pushing up right now. It's on a bullish momentum. So if it hits, it's almost there. If it hits this, it's not hitting it that is the trade though. Don't come and consume the analysis. Okay, be patient. Use the opportunity I'm giving to you. It's going to hit. And if it hits, that's a good confirmation. But the signal is if it hits and closes a bullish candle. So if it hits right now, the next candle closes a bullish candle. That is the entry candle. And the TP is up here. Okay? Not up, this up. It's the next swing meet. So what's going to be the next swing meet in this market? So every market swing has a pattern. So if you look at here right now, so this is the swing meet. So if this trade keeps, if it hits right now, so somewhere around this area is going to be the TP level because disturbance will start coming in from here. So watch out. This guy is about to hit. So this is a trade that is coming now. What is going to invalidate this trade? So there are two signals in every opportunity. There's either the floor signal or the ceiling signal. So if this candle is so powerful enough to break this area, what should you be looking at? Let it break. If it breaks, hit this area, come back to this area and retest, holds it off, okay? And open another candle that is a red candle, follow the market for a sell. That is called the outlaw, okay? So that's it. Okay, but the reason I always play sentiment on market is I always look at potential. The potential for the upside is way bigger than the potentials for the downside. Now, when I say potential, I'm looking at my possible breaks because if this market sells here, okay, there's a possible break here because here is a bullish floor. So it means I'll be taking my TP here. But if I enter here, there's nothing. Okay, well, TP here. So either way, it's a good one depending on, yeah, it's a good one. So either way, you can actually follow it down or follow it up, but just wait for the candle to respect your analysis. Does this make sense? Are you guys taking screenshots? But because you know you cannot, there's no wizard here that can master all my charts in your head and know the signal. You're not a wizard. So what you do is that you either take a screenshot of the screen. Okay, for me, we already have it in our group. I send these trades to them and we watch it together and we trade it together. And that's how we make money as a community. You don't have to trade alone. Okay, this is Euro USD update. What did I do? Okay. So it's almost there. If you guys have any question, you can just type it on the chat. I'm going to switch to, okay. So that's about that. Every other signal that I had, that's G. What? I gave you guys NU and it did not wait for you anyhow. Okay. I was looking at the downside on NU for the sell, but guess what? It did a 15 minutes retest. No, it wasn't even good. So this market, just wait for it. May come back, do a proper one, but this is gone. Wow. Wow, G busted. So we're gonna GU now is gonna be looking for buy opportunities, but oh, that's a buy. If I'm, why do I have all this plenty? Hold on, guys. So let me do something quickly. Okay, this is a 4-hour. So based off on the daily analysis, if I want to look out for where this market is going to buy, then this, I think that's why I have an alarm. Okay, it's presently hit where it's going to buy. Okay, but it's not a go-getter entry. So it is there. No. You watch out. So if I see a 4-hour closes as a bullish on this area, I can take it for a buy. 4-hour. Okay, because it's a daily area. So so either here, I know what I'm going to do. So I'm patient. It's not a today's trade. GU is not a today's trade. Probably, maybe, okay, but no. So it's respecting the 50% right now. If it closes another candle as a bullish candle, that's going to be a bullish sensation on the upside. Okay. But if not, just watch. Sometimes it's good to just watch what the market wants to do for you to get better signal. My hope or feeling is it may want to come into this, okay, for it to rally up back. Okay, so market is on momentum. This was the signal we're looking for. It played it out very well, but we missed it. So don't jump into a market that you already missed. Euro AUD, this is our sell area. You guys can take a screenshot of this. We're waiting for a sell. So I think I have an alarm here. I'm waiting for a sell here. When market comes here, I'm going to rally it back down for a sell. Have you guys taken a screenshot? Okay, this is a sell. Now imagine when you have multiple markets you're waiting for, they won't all trigger at the same time, but one thing you're going to have, they will trigger, and all you just need to do is execute at different times. Out of every 5, you definitely win 3 or 4, and sometimes all. Okay. So this market also did well. It's moving well right now. AUDJ, come on, are you guys? So AUDJPY finally is moving out well. How many of you are in profit? AUDJPY, that's what I started with. And how many of you are in profit? I got in. It's in profit right now, okay? It just pained me that it took me out on that first entry. Pained me small. It was my fault. How many of you are in profit? We got 27 of you. All you guys are just looking at me. So I entered this trade in front of you, and I told you everything you needed to know about the trade to do the trade. You're not in the trade, okay? You're scared, and it's okay to be scared. But I hope I'm not the one who made you scared, right? So at least we have one trade that is going our way. What have I not looked at? GA, then I'll switch to binary. Okay. Man, this guy played well. Broke it. Watch this. This was clean. Okay. This was a clean boy. You watch this right now. Just imagine how this market played out beautifully well. Okay. No, it's not beautiful. It was rough. But how did I? Oh, I was looking for a buy in this market for a continuation. Look at how this market did. Okay, it did not respect. It respected the area, but didn't give a signal. Momentum also took the market down. So this rally came back, retested that zone. That's to tell you that that zone was a powerful one. Closed. He did an outlaw on the feed concept. Okay, he did an outlaw on the feed concept, close, and he made a very powerful move. So this is 4 hours. Let me look at something closely. Okay. Right now, I have no signal for the market at the moment. Okay, I would want to see, because I felt this market was still going to go up. Okay, but if it didn't, it's trying to create a pattern. Let me watch. So it's created a low. This is another low right now. Let me see if there's going to be momentum that will break this high. Then I'll be looking for a buy. Okay, so that's GA. Mr. Jason, you already know what GU is talking about. I looked at GU, right? So GU right now is in a state of a buy. So this is a buy zone. Okay, if you want to be fast about it, but I feel momentum. So let's look at DXY. Let's know where DXY is. Come on, my friend. Come on, my friend. DXY is still going to push. Probably push up. So watch this. DXY is probably going to push up. Now, I need you guys to watch kind of like a market theory. DXY is one currency, so it doesn't always play the pattern, both currency plays. So this is the high, the previous high that brought market down. So most likely that's going to be its resistance. So there is a gap between here and here. There's no sell here right now. This is where there is a sell. Now, if this completes its cycle, would you agree with me? So this is USD. If this completes this cycle, would you agree with me that GU will still sell down? Yes or no? Okay. Are you guys following? So this is GU. This is presently, GU is at its present where you think you want to what? Where you want to buy, right? So, but the DXY still have a gap. And if you look at the gap right now between here and what? Here for the DXY, which means there's a correlation between this 60% zone and the zone, the next zone for what? For the DXY. So I would rather take this zone than take this zone. That is just one watch. Okay. So it's a probability that if you say, oh, this area is a probability that it will move. Maybe because of everybody trading 50%, it may move. Okay. But if they really want to complete the move of DXY, I think the market will still push down. Okay. So hence it is favorable to wait. But like I said, most of the trades that I say wait, they tend to prove me wrong. So is there a buy here? Yes. If the next candle closes a bullish candle, this is a powerful buy. Okay. But I'm just trying to use the best currency, and would I say currency indicator, which is the DXY, to tell you right now, okay, that the market may push up here. Did you guys get that? Okay. So that's my take on GU. Okay. That's my take on USD for GU. So with that being said, are you guys excited about what we have? So let's see if we can make some quick, fast money in a minute. All right. So there's going to be a buy on USD JPY at 147.62. Okay. There's going to be a buy on that area. What currencies here? So USD JPY for a buy. So the market is rallying up for some possible moves. This is binary. Hope you guys know binary option, money in minutes. This is not Forex. So let's see something. What pair is this? This is gold. What is gold doing on my binary? And it's looking so good for a sell. Okay, let's see what other pair can we take. So USD is strong right now. So let's look. USD JPY good for a buy. CHF JPY. Okay, let's look at CHF JPY. USD, don't run away. Don't run away. Don't run away. Calm down. So you guys watch out for the 637 to 652. Why are you running away? It's actually almost ready. But let me put CHF JPY here. So CHF JPY is for what we are buying. Okay. Wow, it got to a buy. Oh, boom, 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 boom. Oh, no. It's not going to come back again. It's not going to come back again. It's not going to come back again. Got a buy spot already. Sheesh. If it comes back to this area between now and the 30, the o'clock, okay, we'll pick a buy, but I doubt 102 to 126 is jumping up. Shush. So you guys write that down. Someone write this down. So there's a buy around the timing. If it comes back here, okay, it's a buy. If it comes back here, let me set my broker so I don't miss while I'm giving you guys trading. I'm not trading. Because some of you are just looking at me right now. And when it's dead, oh, okay, should I enter? When everybody have entered. I'm opening my broker. got a powerful message immediately after this trading session. You know, many of you be wondering, just imagine you have been building up, oh, this guy just running away. Sheesh. But let's just hope he comes back. He may still come back, okay? 5-6 minutes is a whole lot. 7 minutes is a whole lot for something to happen. I'm thinking this guy would definitely come back, but I don't know if in 7 minutes he'll come back here. So I'm thinking of another way to approach this silly guy here. Let me weaponize all of my theories. What's that? What am I saying? Oh, sorry, guys. Forget. Don't even ask me what I'm doing right now. I can't even explain it to you. We have some magical things. Okay, so yeah, so something is here. Something is actually here. Something light. I know binary is fast. So there's something light in that spot that I marked earlier. This spot. Yeah. If you repeat it again, I may want to get in for a buy. There's so many things on my screen. Okay. God. Gosh. This guy is being wicked right now. What did I do? While we're looking at this, I'll drop an alarm. 126. I will leave this one here. I'm not moving this one anywhere. What other thing can I look at quickly before the next timing? Okay, USD is strong, so let me not look at USD. Euro JPY. What if we look at GBP card? Something close. Okay, Euro card. Okay, let's look at Euro card. Something close. So when things are close, they're always competitive. So Euro card. Where are you? Euro card. No. What's this? This is Euro USD. And you guys did not tell me. Euro USD is looking fine now. It's coming now. Euro USD is looking fine. Euro USD is looking fine. Come on. Euro USD is almost at a sell spot. Why do I have so many things on my screen? I'm not seeing my line. Okay, we're almost at the 15 minutes area. But I wasn't supposed to take USD JPY out of the screen. So guys, hold on. I want to quickly do something. Let me put Euro USD here. And I'll bring USD JPY back here. I don't want to miss that. USD JPY. Okay, the guy is just going up. So let me do the Euro USD thing here. So guys, we're going to be looking out for these are our sell areas. These are our sell areas. So how many minutes? It's 3 minutes to go. So this is also coming. This is 5 minutes. So let's see. 151 is actually a good spot to sell. Oh, Euro, you are this strong. Don't come and compete with USD. I hope this guy is not trying to survive from the news. Okay, but let's just look at this area. Okay, I'm going to take a light one at the 151 to 156 area. If it gets there, if it doesn't get there, it's not looking like it wants to get there right now. I wanted to look at Euro JPY. Like all the trades are running away. Euro JPY is still not ready. Euro JPY was good, but it's not. It still has to come down. Euro JPY has to come here for a buy. 173 area. It has to come here for a buy. So I think USD JPY is the only thing that is closed right now. Euro JPY 174 area, I'll buy it. I'll buy it at 174. I'll buy it at 199. I hope you guys are writing this thing down. I'm just telling you so that you don't. 199 for Euro JPY. USD JPY, I will pick a buy at 740. Just know that this repetition is a light risk. Don't come and consume your equity here. Just have fun. Okay. I got 28 seconds to go. I'm afraid this market will not get to us before it will move. I'm just thinking. But if it does, you guys have a good trade. Just like I'm saying. So what's the opportunity in binary? How do you take advantage? How do you use the opportunity in binary? Every area is valid. Okay, good guys, hold on. It looks like it wants to pay. Oh, no, don't go away. You want to pay us a visit. So let's see. It's actually supposed to be buying. If it's not buying, it means he wants to come touch again. You can't come. Okay. What was I looking at here again? Euro. Okay. Euro USD is still pushing. So let's see if it's going to push into this area. Then we'll grab ourselves a trade. Anyone? The Euro USD is more risky because they're very close. Okay, USD just dropped. USD dropped the crown. Play nice, going. If this market does not come in the next 30 seconds, it's going to be a dangerous one. We'll now have to wait for the close of the candle. So is market trying to shop off? Are you trying to shop off? Are you trying to shop off? Okay. If it's not coming now, you guys could save the zone. Okay. So that one of the beautiful thing about we had a session last week and we showed you guys what the one prime option, the opportunity in one prime option is. So guys, so because of time, we cannot stay here. I was thinking we'd capitalize on the o'clock, but just inch away. So what does that mean? There is money sitting in the table. If you know what I just showed you, that's money on the table. Okay. What it means is nobody can be an idle person. It means you can have what to do with your idle time. Okay, some of you probably be at home right now. Some of you probably don't have a job or you don't have a work or you're not working at this time. It's your time worth money to you. This is a skill you can actually learn that you can make a whole lot of money from if you learn the skill and you use the skill. Okay, because every 15 minutes on the clock locks an opportunity for you on binary option. Every 15 minutes on the clock, you get your area. I thought there's a free video on my. You could literally be a diligent, disciplined person and you take the next 1 to 3 months from home, learn this. Okay. And you could use this to write your narratives for this economic times we are in. A lot of people are complaining. If you're complaining, it's because you're ignorant or rebellious. Okay, the rebellion didn't start now. It started when you were ignorant of the opportunities that were shown to you, and you were making excuses because you were busy doing things that would crash anyway. Okay, some people's job have crashed. A lot of things have happened to some people, and now they are complaining. That is rebellion. Okay, you're doing the right thing the wrong way. You ought to have started complaining or talking or thinking rather than complain. You think about what you need to do for your next. If something happens to your present stream of income, what are you going to do? How many of you have thought about that? Some of you are so fixated on you trust your present stream of income. What if it's taken away? What are you going to do? I've prepared for every level of my stream of income. If anything happens for them, I know what to do. That's why I'm working every day. So why do you think the rich always work? Because they have a mindset. Okay. Don't stop where you are. Don't get comfortable, because your comfort zone is your broke zone. So for people who are saying, okay, how can I do this? Learn the skill. The skill is there. Don't try to use the skill to make money, except you learn it. Learn it so that you can use it to make money. Don't try to make money with what you have not learned. You're consuming. Okay. Now, if you want it better, you can step up into mentorship. These things are available. We have a school system that helps people literally do this thing. Okay. And they make money with us while they learn the skill and use us to make money. So it's your choice. Just like an opportunity stepping forward to you right now, you can make a choice to be part of a community that can change the narrative of your income. Now, imagine someone like Ken Brimo, imagine someone like you. Okay, you have the opportunity to sit and you can take $10 to make an extra $7 within 5 minutes. And you can compound that over a period of 10 days, 20 days, 40 days. Okay, and you can literally turn $100 into $150 in a month. Okay, that is 50% increase. If you do that, you could repeat that over a period of 6 months. Okay, in 2-3 years, you're going to be a multiple 5-6 figure income earner. Because why? If you can turn $100 to $150, you have the skill that the banks are willing to pay for. That is how you can now begin to use this skill to make money. Okay. A lot of people don't know their opportunity. Knowing how to make an extra 50% in a whole month, 22 months, 3 months, in a quarter, if you can make 50%, you are highly valuable in society. Don't think about your $100. Think about the perfection of the skill. Money will come. Many of you just want to write off turning $100 to $100 in 1 week because you're greedy and you're forgetting that the skill is your value. It's not the money you make that is your value, it's the skill. So if you're compromising the skill, you're compromising your wealth. That's why you will end up leaving. But if you could hold on, even if you're hungry, you're soaking Gary, or you're in Sakpa, but you are holding on to the skill, you're building it. See, when you finally ripen out, it's not $100 you'll be talking about. Okay? I have a community right now. Imagine if you were, see, everybody would be willing to hire you. Your friends, if you could have a documented proof that you have done this over a period of a year and this is your result, money will never be a problem again. You will see money and you tire. Come and meet me if you don't have money. If you have a proven record and you don't have money, come and meet me. You see, many people cannot come out to say I have a proven record because why? They were never interested in building a proven record. They were just interested in making money. I see why there's a lot of people in Forex trading and they're not making it. Okay? Be different. All right? And it's actually a mindset. It's a mindset of where you're coming from and what you did not attach yourself to, the kind of environment you're in. You know, who's your advisor, who's your mentor, who's coaching you. Some of you are coaching yourself. Okay? You know, I said something to them during the class. Some of you gamblers are coaching you. Okay, a lot of people are gambling in this industry and you're taking advices from people that are gambling. What are you going to end up doing? You're going to gamble. Okay. One thing you should learn principles of wealth while you're learning the skill of trading. If you are a poor person and you learn the skill of trading, if you multiply 1 times 0, what are you going to get? If you multiply 1,000,000 times 0, what are you going to get? The skill may be 1, the skill may be 1,000,000, but if you are 0, your outcome is going to be 0. Am I making sense? It's sad, but that's the truth. That's why you see a lot of good people, a lot of rich people, they come here and they lose money. You think they know, but if you are empty and your mindset does not produce, if you're not in the era of production, if you do not know how to increase, if you do not have value, your worth is what the market multiplies. It's not your skill. The skill reflects your worth. So if you're in a community and you are lack thinking, okay, that community is going to produce lack for you. That's why some people can join me and they're making money from trading, but some people are joining me and they're losing money in trading. It has nothing to do with the skill. That's something to do with the person. That is why we've taken it further to educate the person. Okay, we deal with things that are very, very interesting that people don't pay attention to. That's the Educate to Liberate vision. It's been a privilege and an honor to have given you guys this opportunity to learn. Hopefully you guys make money and you testify about it, because a lot of you are not making money today because you're not ready to testify. Some of you, you come on this session, I give you trades in and out. Last week, I gave you guys trade, played out. Last 2 weeks, I gave you guys trade, played out. Okay? The upper week, I gave you guys trade, played out. But I don't see you testify. Nobody knows you're making money. Nobody knows you're winning. But guess what? Many people are going to know if you start blowing accounts. I promise you. Okay? That's a mindset. Some of you like to talk about bad things because you talk bad things. But when you're experiencing good things, you can't come out to tell someone, wow, this is beautiful. You can't invite a friend to come next week. Because why? You probably want to eat alone. So change, okay? I'll be doing something this evening by 7 p.m. If you're a good person and you're thinking what the society is saying, there's a reflection of so much poverty in the air right now, so much lack, so there's financial crisis. Many continents, countries have declared inflation. You know, people are wondering why, what's really happening, and people are complaining, okay? And I just have a little contribution, what I think I can do, you know, for you to understand that poverty is not the cause of another man. It's not the cause of society. Poverty is a man-made thing, okay? And it's a choice. It's the effect of a choice. So there are things you're going to do that lead up to poverty, or you being part of the poor masses. If you can understand these things, I believe you could make a change over the next 1-2 years. These are the things I'll be talking about, and they are going to be backed up not by worldly principles. They're going to be backed up by spiritual principles from God. Okay, and if you literally want to change the narratives, not for tomorrow, not for like next month, not for like next week, you want to change the narratives successfully over a period of 1, 2, 3 years, like you can make a change and you're willing to take some steps. Okay, be on that call, invite friends, invite family. Okay, it's posted in all of the connecting channels. Invite a friend, make a goal to invite 5 people. There's a way to make money in this world that a lot of people don't know, and it's called selflessness. All right, when you're a selfless person, you have an energy that attracts good to you, favor to you, grace. The universe trusts you when you're selfless. Okay? So go all out there. Some of you are not busy right now. There are 10 people in your world that you think might find this interesting. It's free. Nobody's paying for it. Someone has paid the price. Someone has paid the price for what you want to get. Just come and get it for free. But at the same time, help other people to get it for free. Okay, nobody can share what is yours. So don't think if another person gets it, this is not a Jebu business. So don't hold it. No. Okay, get as many as you can.